Today let's introduce Gradual V bevel. The angle of bevel is getting bigger or smaller during cutting. Select outer and inner, according to the needs. Then select Gradual V bevels and set start angle and end angle. Note, gradual angle is for open toolpath only. The angle for this edge is getting bigger from the start. Let's see in software, draw a line to demonstration. Click Bevel Property, select Special V bevel. Select outer and inner according to cutting needs. Set the start angle and end angle for Gradual V bevels. Simulate to check the cutting path and the angle of the cutting head. The deflection angle of the cutting head is getting larger from start. If you reverse the cutting direction, the direction of the gradual bevel will not change. Need to change from start angle and end angle from bevel property.